Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled, and observe the route that your attention follows. Neville Goddard. Welcome, Dreamweavers, to Dreamweaver's Haven, where we weave the fabric of our destiny together. What if I told you that the most powerful technique to manifest your desires is all about assuming your wish is already fulfilled? This technique, known as the feeling of the wish fulfilled, is at the heart of Neville Goddard's teachings. It's a method that doesn't just involve imagining your desires but deeply feeling them as if they are already part of your reality. Let's explore how you can use this transformative technique to bring your dreams into existence. So, how do you practice the feeling of the wish fulfilled? The process is deceptively simple, yet incredibly powerful. 1. Clarify your desire. Start by being absolutely clear about what you want to manifest. Neville teaches that precision in your desire is essential because the subconscious mind responds best to specific instructions. 2. Enter a relaxed state. Before you begin, enter a state of deep relaxation, often referred to as a state akin to sleep. This is when your mind is most open to new ideas, allowing you to impress your desires onto the subconscious. 3. Visualize with intense feeling. Now, imagine a scene that implies your wish has already been fulfilled. Feel it with every fiber of your being. If you're manifesting love, imagine the warmth of your partner's embrace. If it's wealth, feel the joy of financial freedom. The key here isn't just to see it but to feel it deeply, as if it's happening right now. 4. Live in the state of fulfillment. After your visualization, carry that feeling with you. Act as if your wish is already a reality, and notice how your perception of the world begins to shift. 5. Persistence. Remember, this isn't a one-time exercise. Persist in this feeling, day after day. When doubts creep in, return to that feeling of fulfillment. Your consistency is what bridges the gap between imagination and reality. 6. Detachment. Finally, release your attachment to the outcome. Trust that what you've imagined will manifest in the most natural and effortless way. Your job is to maintain the feeling. The universe will handle the rest. Why this technique works? You might be wondering, how does simply feeling something make it real? The answer lies in the nature of the subconscious mind. Neville believed, and modern science supports, that the subconscious doesn't distinguish between reality and imagination. When you embody the feeling of your wish fulfilled, you're essentially reprogramming your subconscious to accept this new reality. And, as your inner world shifts, your outer world must follow. This is why the feeling of the wish fulfilled is not just another technique, it's a powerful tool for transformation. Some practical tips. To truly harness the power of this technique, make it a part of your daily routine. Dedicate time each day to enter that relaxed state and immerse yourself in the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Start with smaller desires to build your confidence and gradually work up to more significant goals. Remember, the secret isn't in the complexity of your visualization, it's in the depth of your feeling. The more real it feels to you, the faster it will manifest. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It supports the channel and helps us bring more content like this to you. And if you want to dive deeper into the world of manifestation, make sure to subscribe to Dreamweaver's Haven. Remember, you can weave the fabric of your destiny from the safest place within yourself. Until next time, embrace the power within and watch your reality transform.